Okay, very good evening, all of you, and we have reached on section 4, Tax Guru. As you know that we are doing a very good program for all of you, named as Knowledge Guru. So, friends, as of now, we have learned about ULIPs. What are the ULIPs? What are the different risks are associated with the ULIPs? ULIP means Unit-Linked Insurance Plans. How they are different from the direct equity investments, whether they are less risky or more risky. What are the different parameters we have understood about the ULIPs? How ULIPs are different from traditional plan, because the traditional plan are quite different from the ULIPs, because the pattern of investment in ULIPs and risk is borne by the policyholder. But in the traditional plan, as you know that the risk is associated with the company side. So I hope that till now we are very much understood and gone through about the ULIPs. So moving ahead, today's session, as we know that today we are covering Tax Guru, in which we will cover underwriting. What is the underwriting? What is the importance of underwriting? But my dear friends, before that, let us understand the tax calculations. As we know that we are living in that country where people are very much focus about the savings. Everybody needs more and more savings. Now, in Income Tax Act 1961, what is that? This act prompts us to save tax from the different sections, right? Now, I'll talk about the first section, Section 80C of Insurance Act 1961. What it means? Every individual, whether male or female, he or she is earning a set amount of income every year. Now, let us understand how they can save the tax, because in India, everybody who is earning, he or she has to pay the tax. Under section 80C, maximum limit is 1 lakh, through which we can save, we can get the rebate if we invest in the under section 80C. Now, 80C has a different instruments also. First one is life insurance. Now, and second one is fixed deposit for maximum 5 years locking period. Third one is national savings certificates. Fourth one is post office schemes. EPFs are there. Public provident funds are there. But let us remember, let me tell you one thing, that all the instruments, they have capping up to only for 1 lakh rupees. So it means that if you want to save in any life insurance 1 lakh rupees, you cannot show your savings more than 1 lakh in the same section, whether you are investing in the national savings certificates or public provident fund or any 80C related. So I want to clarify again that the benchmark of 80C is only 1 lakh. Right? Now, we'll move to the section 80D. 80D means that above from 80C, you can save up to 15,000 for your medical insurance. Right? The medical insurance means that you have taken a medical insurance for your own life, for your dependents. But here the capping is 15,000. Now, other than that, there is a new section has been launched by the Finance Ministry. They have added in the Income Tax Act 1961 is section 80CCG, which means the Rajiv Gandhi Equity Linked Savings Schemes. But now, try to understand the limit in this section is maximum 50,000, and in the 50,000 you can save up to only 25,000, right? Beyond you cannot save that. Why I'm emphasizing on tax saving? Because everybody is earning in India, he or she wants to try to save some tax. 80C, 80CCG, 80D, these are the few main income tax acts through which everybody can save the tax. Now, if they save the tax, they have to invest in the prescribed instruments. I hope this will give you a very much clarity about the tax savings, because if we are able to understand, if we come to that we can easily calculate the tax saving techniques. So this would help to my client to take the right investment decision on a very right time. So friends, move ahead. Let us understand what is underwriting. Now, let me tell you, every life insurance, as we know that there are two things in a life insurance company. One is insurer and second is the insured. Insurer means the life insurance organization, and the insured person is who is offering to the company to take the life insurance product. Now, in life insurance company, it looks very easy that everybody can get the insurance, but if we go through in a very deep, underwriting is the basic benchmark for each and every company. Through they take the decisions that whether the person should be get insured or not. But why underwriting is there? Let us understand what is underwriting. Underwriting is a process in which a material facts prescribed given by the proposer, through which material facts an underwriter gets the influence that whether the person should be get insured or not. Now here there are some benchmarks for the life insurance company, because life insurance company says that everybody can get insurance, but simultaneously everybody cannot get insurance. Now these are two different things. One is everybody can get the insurance, very fine. Second one is everybody cannot get the insurance. Yes, because life insurance product says that the person who is taking the life insurance, he or she first declare his material facts. The first major material fact is what is the current age. Second one is the medical history, whether the person was gone through some medical treatment in past 5 years or not. And finally is the family history, whether all the persons in the family are living, anybody was died, what were the reason. Now these are the three material facts which a person, a policyholder, if he or she hides intentionally, so he or she cannot get the life insurance product, because life insurance product mainly works on principle of utmost good faith. Now here principle of utmost good faith, what means that every material fact should be disclosed by the policy by the proposer, whether it is been asked or not, voluntary. He or she has to give the brief about the all the three things. That is why every insurance company is very rigorous, very strict on the underwriting guidelines, because they cannot distribute, they cannot give the insurance to anyone else. If we go to the very deep in the underwriting concept, there are lots of parameters. The first one we have gone through, the age. Second one is the body build. What is the height, what is the weight of a prescribed policy holder who is going to propose for the policy, whether he is meeting the benchmarks or not. If he is beyond the benchmarks, then he or she has to appear in the medical. Now our impanel doctor will check whether this person is fit and fine, so he or she can get the insurance or not. If they are above the benchmark and a very high ratio of risk, the company will deny their proposal, right? Because insurance company cannot take a insurance which is very certain. That is why underwriting is very important for each and every company. Even if you go through your Knowledge Guru session, you will find out a Word file is there, underwriting guidelines. You can go through very deeply that what are the benefits for a life insurance company, that why underwriting is there. So move ahead, you will understand what is the anti-money laundering. Anti-money laundering has three layers: placement, layering, integration. That the basic benefit of anti-money laundering is to keep away the what we say that illegal money cannot come into our system, that people are making their illegal money, they are investing in the life insurance, and after 3 or 4 years they are taking that money in a genuine meaning. So it is a prohibited in every insurance company in India that every money should be come through a legally channel. That is why they have kept the different parameters. Their benchmark like PAN card must be there, identification should be proper, photo ID should be proper. So you can understand there are a lot of things you have learned in your Knowledge Guru session. So friends, I hope that you have gone through this session very successfully, and this will give you a very what we say that this program will enhance your skills as a branch manager. You are handling your branches, so as a branch managers, you will, as a stakeholders, it will help to give you a very enhanced knowledge about the across all parameters of life insurance industry. Thank you.